Top 10 Hottest Female DJs of the World. Number 10. Juicy M. She is known as a Babe of the Year and is very popular DJ. She basically belongs to Ukraine. She is very beautiful and has very hot figure as well. Number 9. Kelly Hart. She is a very beautiful lady and a very famous DJ as well. She made an appearance on many shows as a host, which increases her fans due to her beautiful looks and bold dressing. Number 8. Claudia Kazaku. She is newcomer in this industry, but at the start of her career she has gained much attention from the audience and also very famous among them. Number 7. Mari Ferrari. She is very beautiful and bold DJ. She is very famous because of her fashionable look and her way of doing the shows. She is very successful and impressive in her field that no other can take her place in this field. Number 6. Nikki Bellucci. She is a very beautiful girl with attractive looks and famous for playing graceful music. She is full of energy and portrays it among the audience, which makes her shows more successful and different from others. Number 5. Lisa Kensington. She is famous DJ because of her unique style of speaking. She is not a beautiful girl but famous for her sexy voice, which took her into this list of hottest DJs. Number 4. Tina Shar. She is basically an Asian and is named as one of the gorgeous DJs on the earth. We all know that Asians are very beautiful and hot as well. She is more popular and famous among all other DJs in the world. Number 3. Ain Terry. She basically belongs to Ukraine and also hottest DJ of the world. She is known as the life of parties and clubs because of her sexy and beautiful looks. Number 2. Tamira Scott. She is a very famous DJ and she is behind many successful music shows as well. She is very young and beautiful as well. She has been working in many countries like China, America, and many others. Number 1. Sihari Jade. She has been working as a DJ from last 4 to 5 years. She is famous among the audience not only for her performance but her bold and sexy looks as well. She is more famous for her sexy looks as she is also a model and has done some sexy photo shoots with bold dresses.